Hello students, welcome to chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss about coordination compounds. The subtopic is the bonding in metal carbonides. We already know that the bond formation between metal and carbonides to form metal carbonides. Now, how to the formation of bond between metal and carbonides? Okay students, listen. In the metal carbonides, bond between metal and ligand. Metal is nothing but it has a lot of vacant d orbital. But ligand means electron donator. Okay, so electron donation, the ligand, it has the two components. One is electron donation from the carbon atom of carbonyl ligand into vacant d orbital of central metal atom. Listen students, the metal atom has vacant d orbitals because it is ready to for the bond formation with the help of ligand. Here carbonyl group is a ligand, carbon monoxide, same thing. So electron donated for the central metal atom to form sigma bond. Why it is the formation of sigma bond? We already know that in the 11th standard, the directed bonded between the one atom to another atom of the orbital to form the sigma bond. Sigma bond is a very strong bond. Okay, strong bond. The sigma bond formation increases in the electron density in the metal d orbital. We clear. Metal has vacant d orbital. It accepts from the ligand electrons to form metal carbonyl bond. Okay, now they make the electron rich. The empty 5 star orbital. We already know that two types of orbitals are there. One is bonding orbital. Bonding orbital means lower energy level, sigma bond, pi bond and delta. These are the example for bonding orbital. Bonding, so lower energy level. Suppose sigma star, pi star and delta star as means anti-bonding. Anti-bonding means higher energy level. Higher energy level. Higher energy level. Here the empty pi star orbital on the carbonyl ligand and the transfer of the metal added to the electron density back to the ligand. Okay, yes. Now you see the metal atom M. M is central metal atom. It has the vacant orbital, electron to donate to the carbonyl carbon to form the back bond, reverse bond. But in the metal carbonyls, electron density move from the ligand. Electron density is move from the ligand means the sigma bond formation from the metal ligand through the pi bonding. Pi bond means sidewise overlapping. Sidewise overlapping. Okay, sidewise overlapping. It is a very clear explanation from the synergetic effect. The synergetic effect is nothing but the strengthened bond between the carbon monoxide or carbonyl ligand and the metal atom. The synergic effect can explain the strength of the bond between the ligand and the metal atom. Okay, students. Now, metal to the carbonyl compounds is formed a pi bond. Suppose pi bond is a back bond, but the metal atom had lot of vacant orbital. The oxygen atoms donate to the electron for the central metal atom to form 5 bond. Forward bond is formation. That is a sigma bond formation. That is metal atom directly bonded to the carbon directly done overlapping. They done whenever done overlapping to formation of sigma bond. Suppose sideways overlapping means what bond formation? Pi bond formation. In this session we clear that how to bond formation between the metal and ligand. Once again I am repeating, the bond in the metal carbonates. Listen children, in the metal carbonates, bond between metal and the ligand, it has the two components are there. One is electron donating, another one electron acceptor. So now the electron donation from the carbon atom of the carbonyl ligand into the vacant d orbital of the central metal atom. This is central metal atom. Carbonyl group is a ligand. Ligand is a electron donating for the vacant orbital of the central metal atom. At the time the formation of sigma bond. Okay, the sigma bond formation, whenever sigma bond formation, the electron density of the d orbital and make the electron rich level. Okay, the empty pi orbitals, pi star orbital on the carbonyl ligand and the transfer of the added to the electron density back to the sigma bond. This is ligand. This is ligand. Ligand to the bond formation between the central metal atom. This is electron to the carbonyl carbon. At the time the bond formation is pi bond. Why it is a pi bond? We clear that sideways overlapping. It is pi x and pi y. Okay, the phi x and pi y, the formation of the sideways overlapping means pi bond back bond formation. In the metal carbonyl, the electron density move from the ligand, okay, to metal through the sigma bond formation and the metal and to the ligand through the pi bonding. This bond explanation by the synergic effect. Synergic effect is nothing but the strength between the bond with the carbon of the carbonyl group and the metal atom. Carbon means from the carbonyl group or ligand, okay, or carbon monoxide also, the metal, to form strength of the bond, which means a sigma bond. Okay, electron donating for the central metal atom, the directly overlapping, that is a forward bond. Sigma is a forward bond. Okay, students, I hope you can understand the class. We will meet next class with another topic. Thank you, children.